Faggin fam? It's your girl Everyday Faye here, and thank you guys so much for tuning back into my YouTube channel. Today is a special day. As y'all can see, I got my baby Dirty Red back, and we about to do a walk around on my bike with my new Factory47 14-inch handlebars, y'all. So they are fully installed. Come check her out. So as you can see, these are my 14-inch Factory47 handlebars, y'all. I have not ridden with these yet. We about to go on a ride today, but yeah, they are installed and good to go. Come around here, I got another surprise. I was able to add my decal to my wind splitter windshield. Check her out, Everyday Faye with the YouTube emblem, y'all. Check it out. What y'all think? What y'all think? Super excited about that. Also, I wanted to let y'all know that I got the Rokform mounts. Yes, so we are using Rokform mounts for my cell phone. This is the case. Well, the case that my case was in, because it's actually on my phone now. So it comes with the case for your phone, which connects to the clip on the handlebars. I also got the clip for the handlebars, and I got the car mount. So this is the swivel car mount. So yeah, we added all of this to our bike and our car so that my cell phone mounting will be interchangeable and I don't have to worry about changing cases and all this, that, and the other. So I have my cell phone here. I'm gonna show y'all how it works. This is the Rokform clutch mount. It attaches here, and you can just slide it on. Let me see. Clip, clip, clip. I'm still new. It's got a magnet on it too, y'all. Gotta line up the pattern. There we go. And that's how it's on. It's on there real sturdy, y'all. That way I can see who's calling me. And it's very secure. It's not gonna come off. This right here, this little lanyard, you can also attach it around your phone and around the device. So if your phone does fall off, it'll be caught with this little lanyard and you're good to go. Over here on this side, I forgot to mention, this is the RAM mount. This is a RAM mount, and you attach it to the clutch the same way. So I'm going to be putting my camera on that mount. It looks real sleek. It's not that noticeable. It's not bulky. That's what I like about these mounts. So that's the bike mount. Come on over to my car. I'll show y'all the car mount, which is the swivel mount. Okay guys, so I attached my swivel mount up here above my dashboard, and that's how it looks. It's magnetized, and all I gotta do is pop my phone up there. Boom, there it is. I can turn it sideways and I can view my content that way. But yeah, this is the RAM, I think it's the mini swivel mount, yeah. So check that out. So y'all already know what we about to do now. We about to get on this bike and we want to go on a ride. Hey, let's go. Okay guys, so we are up at my daughter's school trying to work on some preloading, keeping it loading, preloading and keeping it loaded during my stops and takeoffs. Because all of a sudden, after I went to service my 1,000 mile service for my bike, they told me that I had a lot of wear on my clutch, and that's because when I slow down I use my clutch instead of using my rear brake. So now I'm at the parking lot and I'm gonna work on using my rear brake more to slow down and preloading and keeping it loaded at stops and starts. So, you know, when I'm at a red light, preload, keep it loaded, release the clutch. And I have stalled out several times. It's all in my head, but yeah, let's practice some more. So I'm just waiting on Bay to come on down and get out my way. First gear. So clutch is pulled in, we're gonna preload, keep it loaded. Feet up, oh, stalled out. Clearly I didn't keep it loaded. because I'm thinking I'm gonna jet out of nowhere and lose control of my bike. So we're not gonna do that. So we're gonna preload, keep it loaded, release the clutch, speed up. Ah, there we go. We go. Gonna stop. Gonna let hubby come around on his bike. Then we're gonna do it all over. Preload, release the clutch, speed up. Shit. That right there, I don't know. I be having brain farts. I had absolutely no control. I was not the boss of my bike. I was not in control. It was, I don't know. I was all over the place, y'all. Now I'm scared to get the gas. Stall. Jeez Louise, jeez. I think I need to take a break. I don't know if it's because right in front of me I'm gonna have to turn, but I have so much room to turn, so that shouldn't be making me nervous. Where's hubby? I don't know, y'all. Let me try this a couple more times though. Like, I haven't ridden my bike in like 2.5 weeks, I think. And my confidence has kind of dropped. Matter of fact, it's been dropping since I got the news that I was wearing out my clutch, and I felt like I was riding my bike wrong. So now, I don't know. Let's try this. Release the clutch. Like, freaking seriously right now. Like, and I know I can ride my bike. I know it's all in my head. I don't freaking know. Alright, feet up. Y'all, I gotta get off this thing for a minute. Because when I start to get frustrated, let me take a 5-minute break. I'll be back. Okay guys, we're back. It's about 10 minutes later. I took a little break, stalled out a couple more times, and I'm back. So let's try this again. Preload. Preload, keep it loaded. Release the clutch. Bitch. Again. What in the, oh, I almost lost it. All right, girl, come on, Dirty. Beginning of a new road. Reload. I want to ride, and I told myself if I can't get this down pat, then I'm not riding. So we got to get this done because I don't want to look crazy in an intersection. Okay, that's one. Let's see if we can get three. No, four. That was one. That's two. That one was a little iffy, but that's still two. That's three. Let's try it again. We're gonna go around and do four. All right, let's go for four. Oh, I didn't get four. Dang it. Okay, I'm gonna tell y'all another issue that I've noticed picking my feet up. I noticed that when I pick my feet up right away, it's better. The bike just goes like it's supposed to. But when I hesitate and I'm scared and I don't pick my feet up right away, I stall out. So let's see if we can do this. Let's shoot for three. See? I pick my feet up. Let's stop. One. Up, pick your feet up. Two. That's two. We might be able to get that four, y'all. Let's see. That's three. Okay. Hey, that's four. Woo! Yes. Practice makes perfect, y'all. Let me tell y'all, I hadn't practiced this in maybe about like 6 weeks. I don't know why I just stopped coming to the parking lot. We would just get on our bikes and go for a ride, and then when somebody critiques my ride and critiques something I do, then I get real razzle-dazzle. I don't know why. But yeah, so that was four in a row. Let's shoot for four more, and then maybe we'll go on a ride. Let's see. One. That builds your confidence that, hey, you got this, you can do this, you're good. So now I'm feeling real good. So let me practice this a couple times, and then we're about to hit the road. See y'all in a minute. Y'all, I feel confident now. I've practiced. I'm confident with my taking off. So yeah, let's ride. Let's go. Yeah. My hands are freezing. Because I got on the half glove.
Yeah, my chest was starting to freeze a little bit.
Shit.
Huh?
I think the bikes usually park over there, but
Yeah, but
we're newbies.
exactly. I ain't trying to do all that and mess around and drop your bike trying to park it.
Drop your bike and cause
Exactly.
double dump.
It's so much dirt on this bike. It's pissing me off.
What's Soul Fusion Bistro? Carrie Bowes.
Where you see that
They
at?
have barbecue, fried chicken.
Where you see that at?
Right there.
Oh, Carrie Bowes. So it's another restaurant too. Big Chick. McDonald's now open.
Tacos.
Fried chicken. It's like you said your hands are freezing. Man, my face was starting to get cold. Once we got in the sun, it was fine, but on that back road,
That's why I put on that face mask.
niggas, it was like air was getting something. Damn, my face was cold. They kept those machines really well.
Oh yeah, I didn't have to do shit.
My keys stuck. Is it stuck?
Where was you getting that puppy?
I was gonna get shrimp, but we're here now.
Oh. Yeah, because I was just right here. I was like, well, shoot, we can just, why not try?
Cause I needed gas, but I couldn't catch up with you to get your attention.
That's what you was honking for?
Yeah, I was
Yeah,
gonna
but when
tell
you honk, you gotta...
No. I was trying to ride beside you so we could get a feel of on sharing the lane.
Yeah.
And then it started to be too slow, so you took off. And then when I looked there,
Too slow. We was going, when you was driving beside me, you realized we were going like 45 miles per hour.
I done. I thought it was too slow. I was like, he gonna want to go off.
No, I was just letting you know. We were driving this actual speed limit on the road.
Okay, guys, so hubby and I decided to have lunch at Motorhead's Bar and Grill in McDonough, Georgia. So, yeah, this is the atmosphere. It's a biker bar, I believe. So, yeah, it's really, really nice. Check it out if you're in the area. Midday date. Midday date with my love.
Y'all know what it is. Let's get it.
Okay, guys, the food is here. I got the fried shrimp basket. Those shrimp are big. Yummy, yum with fries. They got, what'd you get? A barbecue burger?
Cowboy burger.
A cowboy burger with some onion rings. So, yeah, we about to dig in. Okay, guys, so me and Bae just got through eating here at Motorhead's Bar. The food was surprisingly delicious, y'all. I was shocked. I thought it was going to be trash, but it was really good. We plan on going back. Totally different environment. You're going to smell like smoke, but hey, just to go in and enjoy the food is worth it. So, yeah, y'all check out Motorhead's Bar up here in McDonough, Georgia. All right, let's get on the road. Let's go. didn't put my
Mine
gloves
didn't get
on.
all the ride back. My battery went low, so it stopped recording.
Okay, y'all. Fagan fam, we are back home. Me and hubby about to head to the gym. So thanks for coming along with us today. Your girl is back. Your girl is back. Until next time, remember, I'm the road queen. I'm my road king. Peace. Okay, y'all, so I forgot to check in and let y'all know I really like this Rokform mount. It held my phone good, it was secure, and it didn't call the police. I know with my RAM mount, because of the way the little prongs grab the side of your phone, it would frequently hit the emergency and call 911, and the police would come to my house while I'm out riding because I wouldn't be able to stop it in time. But with this Rokform mount, my buttons are still free for me to make adjustments, and it does not mistakenly call 911 or my emergency contact. So yeah, I love my Rokform products. They're great. This video is not sponsored by them. Barber CVO recommended it and he did a good job. I love Rokform. So yeah, that's it, y'all. Until next time, peace.